Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a food review of M&M's Crunchy Cookie. Now, this is the last video in my newest food reviews that I picked up at Walmart a few weeks ago. This is the current newest M&M out right now, M&M Crunchy Cookie. Like I said before, I picked these up at Walmart about a couple weeks ago. I've been having trouble reviewing them because I've been at work and I just haven't had the time to review them. But today is the day. I'm going to be finishing this review. And then after that, I don't know what new food reviews will be next. Whenever I get a new food review, it's a surprise to me that it's going to happen because I never know what's going to happen. So now let's do the sniff and the taste test. Well, I did the sniff test. They do smell like cookies. So let's do the taste test. Here's what the M&M looks like. To me, it looks like it's a lot smaller than a regular M&M. But let's do the taste test. Well, they do definitely taste like a crunchy cookie. Overall, they're not too bad. They're pretty good. They got they taste like a cookie, but they got the hint of the regular chocolate M&M taste. So it's definitely good. Would I give these a recommend? Yes, I would. They're definitely very good. My only problem with these M&Ms is I wish they were like a little bit bigger. I wish they were like about the size of a regular M&M. But that's my only gripe with these. So, as I have stated, I would definitely give these a recommend. They're really good. So, where can you pick up M&M Crunchy Cookies? Well, as I have stated earlier, I picked these up at Walmart. But I've also seen them at Dollar General. So, yeah, I would recommend you guys to go to Walmart first, but if you can't find them at Walmart, then go to your local Dollar General. And then if you can't find them at your local Dollar General, I would recommend to either go to Target or any local store in your area. And that is my food review of M&M's Crunchy Cookie. Definitely really good. I like them. I definitely give them a recommend. I wish they were a little bit bigger, but yeah, that's my food review of M&M Crunchy Cookie. And if you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Period.